I am so excited to be on stage with this amazing duo who prove that deliciousness doesn't need drama. They also, Tamsin and Scarlett, are the masters of effortless elegance, blending classic technique with a relaxed, vibrant energy. I've gotten to work with the girls, so I can say that firsthand. You two are a joy and a pleasure, and we welcome you as demo number 2 for Ballymaloe Festival of Food 2026. Tamsin and Scarlett Allen.
Thank you, Tracy, and thank you for helping us and being here with us as well, as always.
I love it. I wouldn't be anywhere else.
That was fabulous. I want to wake up to that.
Tell me, what are we cooking? What are we making today?
So we're going to start off by making Hollandaise with basil and tomatoes. And Tamsin's going to start off by making asparagus and pan-fried fish. We're using turbot.
Yeah, which I don't have currently.
But you can use any flat white fish. You can use John Dory, brill, whatever works. But we just got turbot today. So tomatoes.
I'm really organized.
And Tamsin's going to start by seasoning her flour, which she's going to dab her fish into before she puts it on her pan.
This Scarlett's like subtle way of making sure I don't forget to do stuff. Salt and pepper.
So we're seasoning the flour with salt and pepper.
You want to oversee...
Oh, Tamsin, you've been busy with the festival, and we blame your mother, Brie.
Always.
What have you been up to until you ran onto the stage?
I was working really hard. I was up in the garden marquee because I'm setting up for that. You want to over-season your flour. I'm cooking the fish. I'm going to prep it first, and then I'm going to put my asparagus on straight away because that's going to take longer. So I'm going to talk about the food, and then I'm going to talk about that. First, because we have places to be. Scarlett has a dinner to get to. So I have to, like... You want to over-season your flour because only a little bit of the seasoning's actually going to get on. So don't be afraid of the salt and don't be afraid of the pepper. Get it on. You want to put on a light coating. And then we're going to... Tracy, can I turn on that hob?
Yeah.
And get that one good and hot because when you put your fish down, you want it to cook fast on your presentation side. Is that what you call it? The side that's going to be upwards. Presentation side. Asparagus? Asparagus? Asparagus. Okay. Prep my asparagus. A lot of people do it this way and they like go like that. I just put it in the palm of my hand and snap it.
Oh.
Because the bottom is too hard, so it's not going to be very nice to eat.
No.
I think like I need help. Would you mind coming up to the stage?
Oh my god! Oh my god! No, make Kira come up. Make Kira come up.
Kira, would you
Kira come up?
I'd love for you to stand beside Tamsin and for Tamsin to teach you the perfect way to snap asparagus.
One time Kira did this fabulous thing with an egg. So Kira does home ec with, did past tense. Home ec.
Also here.
Put it in your hand. And then just snap it.
Yes!
Yes, good job.
You did that perfectly. You are an A1 student. Thank you so much.
One time we were in home ec and Kira read was it first year home ec? And Kira read the whatever, what's it called? The recipe, and it goes, sieve all ingredients. She was making cookies, by the way, like it wasn't complex. So she sieved her flour and sieved her sugar, and then she sieved her egg. And it was like 4 years ago, but I haven't let it go. And I won't.
I'm making the hollandaise here. So for the hollandaise, I'm using 2 egg yolks to a 1/4 pound of butter. And the great thing about hollandaise, we're making chocolate mousse as well. The great thing about this is it only uses egg yolks. You can use your egg whites to make chocolate mousse or meringues or whatever you'd like after.
Okay, this fish, you can use any flat white fish. You want a firm one. This one is turbot. You're gonna put your butter on your pan and you're gonna let it foam. You want it to get really hot before you put your fish on because you want to get it really golden on one side. Turn the heat down and flip it over, and you only want to do one flip. This fish is quite flat, so it's going to cook really fast. So it's going to happen quite quick. Do we have... Oh, thank you.
And why don't we want to keep turning it over? You said turn once. Why is that?
Because if you keep turning it over, you're going to every time you touch the fish, you're going to damage it.
And with your hollandaise, you want to keep it on a very low heat. That's why I'm holding it at the moment, because these 2 pots are next to it. It'll get hot quite fast. And a good tip for this is if it's too hot to keep your hand on the side of the bowl, that means that your pot is too hot. So I'm just letting my pot cool down now before I start putting my butter in, because I don't want my eggs to scramble.
That's the top. Okay. You can hear my butter foaming. Oh my god, so good. I'm so hungry.
It's a funny one. The heat on this is quite generous.
Yeah, look at that.
So what I might do is if I go all the way around and near where it turns off at number 1, we can control it a little bit better. So hopefully that's okay. Are you happy? Do you want fresh butter? Are you happy?
I think we should definitely use fresh butter. I think that's going to make it burn, actually.
So brown butter can be absolutely delicious, but it's when it goes a little bit
great,
too
but not
far.
right now.
Yeah, pop it in that dish for me.
That dish?
Yeah.
Tracy, that has plastic on it. Oh, this dish.
Here.
I'm adding
gonna
in my
pour it in.
butter just
Good
a
woman.
few pieces at a time, chopped smallly, because your egg can only absorb
There
a
we
certain amount of
go.
butter at a
Okay.
time, so you don't want to put
Back
it all
in.
There we go.
Bit of butter there as well.
Wait, I'm going to burn you. Every time we do this, Scarlett gets burnt.
Mostly just before the demo starts as well, which is always ideal.
Every single, she's like, oh my god, I got burnt. And you're like, how did you not notice? That has to hurt.
A lot of butter is a good thing.
A lot of butter is always a good thing. You should always use Kerrygold. Always use Kerrygold. You don't get options. Okay, so we have our presentation sides down.
Beautiful.
I'm going to turn that up a little bit. I'm so scared of this heat.
Probably a little bit lower, I'd say.
Look at that.
Good woman, that's it.
Okay, there we go. Now, let that cook. Look at that.
Beautiful. Tell us what's happening in the pot, Scarlett. So we're adding the butter bit by bit.
Yeah, we're adding
slowly
butter
melting.
bit by bit so it all gets properly absorbed. And then I'm going to add salt, pepper, and lemon to taste, and then put in some tomato and basil as well. Again, with the tomato and basil, it's to taste. It's as much as you would like, and it's optional.
Beautiful fresh flavours.
Yeah, I think it goes really well with
So
the fish
good.
and asparagus after.
Did you by chance make this in the last couple of weeks live on TV?
We did.
Yeah.
We made it about 2 weeks ago when we were on TV. On the Today Show, we made the same thing, but we did it in 2 separate slots, sweet and
Okay.
savoury. But we're going to do it in 1 slot today.
Whoa.
The ladies were absolutely fantastic. If you didn't get a chance to see them, definitely go on to Real Play or on RT, because to be able to cook live on TV, oh my goodness, that takes unbelievable skill, confidence and calmness, which the girls bring to the stage every time they're on it, when they're not having the crack. Well done.
Like our biggest fan right there.
Tell me, the colour on the fish there, Tamsin, what are we looking for?
You're looking for it to be golden brown, but you obviously don't burn it. But you want to like check it slightly before you turn it, because again, you don't want to have to flip it back over. And if it's not nicely golden, it's not going to look nice on your plate, because you want to make it look nice presentation-wise.
Beautiful.
I'm going to check.
Colour
And we have
is
our
flavour.
2 from oil plates here as well, which are.
Oh my god, Fermoil sent us plates. We got PR.
We've never been so happy. We opened the post, it was 2 from oil plates. We've been using them all the time.
Bring
Those ones are my mum's,
Holy
actually.
Ah, when the ladies were
Sharing
on
a hob,
TV
isn't
a
it?
couple of weeks ago, Rachel gave them permission to use 2 of her beautiful plates from her home.
Which we're using here again
Yes,
today.
which have come back
Turn that
into
off.
action.
Yeah.
But Fermoil saw it happen and popped a plate each in the post and surprised the women, which was just so gorgeous. Oh, fabulous. Still lovely, vibrant and green.
It's
Beautiful.
a good thing to have behind me.
How do we know that's cooked? What are we looking for?
So, for checking if it's cooked, we use the knife that I just lost, thank you. You're gonna stab it through. Asparagus cooks quite quick. If it goes through clean, you're done.
Oh, nice.
Because you've taken off the
So
hard
no
bit, it's gonna cook
resistance.
fast. No resistance, and you can use the ends. You don't have to throw these out. You
My
put them
arm.
into stalks. You can make like,
Fair enough.
you can if you like soften them down, you can actually put them in loads of things, and they're got full of loads of vitamins and stuff. I was looking them up the other day 'cause studying for home ec.
Of course, as always.
Yeah.
I'm going to grab a little bit of
So
tissue
with
and
my
do a zip
hollandaise
dab.
here, I'm just
Thank you.
taking it on and off the heat, making sure it's not too hot for me to put my hand on the side of the bowl, because your eggs will scramble really easily. So now that all my butter is soaked in and melted, I'm going to be putting in my lemon, salt and pepper to taste.
We'll just wait for
I
her to
think
finish.
salt, lemon.
Okay, fab.
So we're using salted butter, but the extra pinch of salt really matters.
Yeah, it brings out the taste.
Oh,
More than
love
it
it.
just tasting salty, it brings out the taste of it.
Yeah.
This is a beautifully seasonal dish as well, isn't it? Asparagus has a really short season, so to maximise it like
does.
this
It's
is
almost
really lovely.
over now.
Was
Yes.
Over at the end of this month, I think.
End of this month?
Yeah.
Starts in
Asparagus?
It starts middle of April.
and it ends like middle of May. Like it's really short.
Yeah.
It doesn't last
It's
very
a real
long.
treat.
And
Yeah, it really is.
we have it growing in our garden. It is like my favorite vegetable of the
Oh.
whole world. It is so
Spoons there
good.
for tasting. That's great.
Can I try it?
Of course you can. Here you go.
Thank you. Disgusting. It's really good. Okay, let's
you.
plate. I'm gonna move that away. Oh my god, it's like magic. There you go.
Thank you.
Do you have a little leaf
Put
of
that
a?
there for a sec.
Oh, look at that basil. Oh, how pretty it is.
Scarlett,
Yes.
Hollandaise can be a really challenging sauce for an awful lot of people. You gave really great tips. Can you go back over it again?
So when you're making it, you want to make sure the most important thing is that your eggs don't scramble. I'm just gonna put that there for a sec. The most important thing is that your eggs don't scramble. So if the pot is too hot to keep your hands in it, that means that the pot is too hot. So it's good to have, obviously we're sharing a hob here, so it's a bit more crowded, but it's good to have a spare hob next to you so you can take it on and off.
Ta-da!
Put in the butter gradually because the egg can only absorb a certain amount at a time.
Gonna do a second one.
And
You do the second one, and then we'll.
yeah, butter, egg yolk, and lemon and salt, and I put in basil and tomato, which are optional.
So it's
But
a
they're really good.
wonderful and versatile sauce on
Thank
its
you.
own. Hollandaise straight on its own, but you've elevated it to bring in more layers of flavour. Beautifully done.
And next
colour.
we're going to be making, for our dessert, we're going to be making chocolate mousse with strawberry sauce and cream. So I'm going to start by making the chocolate sauce, and Tamsin, I'm going to start by making the strawberry sauce. Tamsin is going to start by making the chocolate mousse.
Good job. That was really good. Did a really good
Keep
job.
you
on
dry.
that.
Tamsin, I've got your water on here for
Oh,
your
thank
chocolate.
you.
Of course.
Okay, fab. Where's mine? This is mine. Okay, this doesn't have sugar in it yet, does it? No. Do you mind grabbing the sugar?
Your chocolate's melting there.
Thank you. Okay, chocolate mousse. When we were making it, we were like, what are we gonna do with our egg yolks? What were we gonna make at the start? We're gonna make meringues.
meringues.
Then we tried to make meringues.
You're making it sound horrible.
No, we were very
making them,
good at
and I was
cooking.
like, oh, I really want to. I'm really craving chocolate mousse. I want to make that, and we made it. And we were like, why don't we make this for
And then we
ourselves?
made chocolate
Much
mousse, and
nicer.
now we've made
It was
chocolate
great.
mousse 5 times since. We are obsessed. Like any chance we get, we have made this chocolate mousse. Can I have some
There you
sugar?
go.
Oh,
There all the time.
fantastic! And perhaps a whisk.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Also with the strawberries, actually it's a fact that a third of everyone's weekly shop just gets thrown straight in the bin. And one way to help reduce that a little bit is you can, when you're making strawberry sauce, you can use the tops of the strawberries. You can't tell that they're in it. They don't taste of anything. And most of the time when you're cutting off the top of the strawberries, most of it's wasted anyways.
It's gonna kill me
is-
all.
That is a brilliant
I have an
tip.
electric whisk.
Do you have an electric whisk?
Of course I do. There you go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, if anyone got to see the
Do you have a plug for your electric
Yeah,
whisk?
the ladies on TV, who was it? The Brian came out
Yeah.
with his earmuffs on for the noise.
Oh,
He
yeah.
thought this was the best
All
thing
in
he'd
one
ever
section, we
experienced.
had our strawberry sauce being made, our mousse being whipped, and our cream being whipped. Yeah, it was
Put
very
it down
lovely.
here. Sorry, I just absolutely cut you off.
Okay.
Okay. Then we're gonna add in our sugar. Just gonna add
So we're getting it to soft
Little bit of
peaks,
sugar.
then adding sugar,
About
and
a
then
tablespoon.
stiff peaks, and then adding the melted chocolate, which is over there melting.
I'm just gonna put it. See, it's really loud. It's like so obnoxious.
This is also going to be loud for a minute.
Really great tips on how to reduce food waste. We have from the egg yolks in your hollandaise onto the dessert with the egg whites, which is lovely, no waste whatsoever.
No.
Onto our strawberry sauce with the calyx is still intact. And you're right, Scarlett, so many people will take off a huge amount of that top of the strawberry, so it's lovely to see it fully used. And we might get somebody to have a little taste test. Who's my victim next? Oh, Luca, come on up. Luca, yes, straight away. Luca, would you mind eating a whole strawberry with the calyx, but allow the room to watch your face as you chew it and tell them that you wouldn't even notice it was there.
It is.
Luca, thank you so much.
Thank you so
my
much for those
Sadly, we
comments.
did not rehearse that.
Super helpful.
My strawberry sauce is just strawberries and a little bit of sugar. Again, you can add as much or as little sugar as you would like. And then I'm just blending it, so it will be a bit loud for 1 minute.
There's even hex-clad spatulas.
Add everything.
They went absolutely all out. It's like insane. That is so hot.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, fab. Tracy, could
Perfect.
I
Can't even
have
tell the
a
tops
tea
are
towel?
on
Because it's super hot. Scarlett, do you want to pass me a tea towel?
Oh, of course. There you go. And
Thank
once
you.
the water is boiling, you can turn off your heat. It just saves a bit of gas. And also, you don't want any steam coming over and getting into your chocolate as well.
Because then it'll burn. As soon as water gets in it, it'll burn. If you overheat it, it overheats really, really fast.
I'm just going to pick somebody out of the audience. Fabulous Rachel Allen, hello! It's so good to have you here. I heard you laugh, and it filled my heart with joy, because I absolutely love your laugh, you know this. But I want to ask you a little question.
Oh, God.
Like,
Ross,
how fun.
do we have microphone for Rachel? I've sent it down. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, what is it like to see your daughter, her best friend and cousin, live on stage cooking?
It's fabulous. It's so nice. They're a very funny double act, but they're like this at home. That's exactly what they're like. The
The
giggle.
show goes on.
Yeah, the show goes on.
They're
and
not
and whenever they have friends for a sleepover,
Oh.
they are. What do you think, Melody? I can see you up there. Are those two normally
You're
are
on
the ones
Ballymaloe,
that
those
say,
two.
right? Can you fill the dishwasher? Can you empty it? Can you? They're. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
We're
They're
baking
kind of on
cookies.
it.
We often have dinner parties as well.
Do we
which
have
we're-
a-
They all
it's
cook
basically
dinner parties
baking cooking
together.
all the time. We never stop.
So
you
cute.
give over your house to the madness that is.
And
you
Tamsin's
encourage-
the
parents
screen.
do as well.
That's
Brie and
lovely.
Cully.
Encourage them young, teach them young, the power of that, and look where they are now.
Yeah.
Well done. Great job to the parents.
And their grandparents, actually,
their
I'd like to add.
Well said.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Rach.
This recipe makes 2. Scarlett broke the other little jar,
I-
so
just a little bit. So we have
just a little tiny bit.
So here's our chocolate mousse. This is going to take about an hour or 2 to sit. So we have 2 that we made earlier.
Woohoo!
That's my favorite part.
Best praise in live TV for cooking.
Okay, where's that little teaspoon? Go for it.
And we have our strawberry sauce here and our cream to go on top. And I'll put half strawberry on as well.
Yeah, go for it. Why not? I like that I got this job.
Have you cooked this as a dinner party offering for your lovely friends yet?
We actually haven't yet, but it is a great option for a dinner party because you can make it the day before or that morning. You can just leave it in the fridge and then sign on the fridge saying, "No one eat my chocolate mousse."
Oh, pretty. Okay, fab. Look at that.
What
You
a
go for it.
delicious
Wow,
demo.
lovely.
Ladies, you bring so much joy, passion and knowledge to the stage. I don't know that
Thank
the Ballymaloe Festival of Food would be the Ballymaloe Festival of Food without you two
Obviously
ladies.
not.
You
Really
bring
not.
the style, the character and the drama every year. And every year I always ask myself, how can they outdo themselves? You do every year. Your confidence has grown, your knowledge has grown, and your sharing is amazing. Thank you, ladies!
Well done.
It's such a good job.
You should come everywhere with us.
Yeah.
I do!
Pretty much.
Tracy like follows us
Just
around
like
with the
day to
camera.
day, everywhere.
Love you, ladies.
Thank
The
you, Tracy.
recipes are online. Definitely get in touch. They've got a handle on Instagram. I'd love for you all to join them on it. They'll share the recipes there as well. What's your handle on Instagram?
Scarlett and Tamsin cooks.
Yes, that is the truth. So definitely, definitely try it. As you said, Rachel, this doesn't end here. Behind the stage, we're going to have so much fun. We're going to eat this food together. Luca, no. No. But thank you. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, one
Thank
and
you,
all.
Tracy.
Pleasure.
Thank you all for coming.
Does that mean we exit stage?
Sorry.
Does that mean we exit?
Yeah.